While I'm at it, just another quick video. I thought I would do something really simple, which is play with a sequencer. And I've done this on and off for a while and figured I was doing something wrong. So everything I've seen is you simply hit the oscillator on and nothing happens. Turn it off, turn it on. What I found was that this switch, it just flops around. So it's on stop, which is why it's not activating the sequencer. So it just flops around, and then eventually I overturned it down below, and then it kicks in, but now you can see it's flopping around. And if I bring it up and overturn it, then it goes back to stop. So this is just sort of kind of flopping around, and then if I put it there, turn the sequencer back, back on. So just another little tidbit to the unit.